Sasakay ka ng boat. Display dun sa likod. Yun ang Opera House. Nag-fishing sila. So yung asawa ko nakakahanap ng makausap na sa likod. So yun, ang ganda ng view natin, mga beautiful people. Sailing. Habang nandun yung asawa ko, mag-iikot ako kasi hindi ako nagpunta dito sa Sydney para lang magtambay sa isang sulok, no? So, let's go! Walking, walking tayo. Sundan natin yung magandang view. Lagyan ko man yan ng ano. So, hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Australia ng Bisaya here in. Andito ako sa Sydney, Australia. Yung view ko sa likod is Opera House. Tapos, sana yung Harbour Bridge nandun sa likod. Nandun yung Harbour Bridge sa likod. Sana yung asawa ko. So, sobrang busy na sana yung asawa ko. Doon, sobrang madaldal. Nakahanap ng makausap. Tapos, yan. So, minsan lang. Tagalag sa radyokan ko makalugsong sa syudad, no? Maong haskang lipaya, ginakod, no? Sana man ang ubang. Nila lang. Nandiyan na siya. Nandito na siya. At saka, ipakita ko sa'yo yung magandang hotel. Yung Park Hyatt Sydney. Wow, ganito ang itsura ng Sydney. Opera House.
Did you see this?
Where have you been?
Look,
What's this?
timber ships, tall ships,
Okay.
our favourite.
So what we gonna do?
Let's go. They
Where
were
are-
from America.
Where have you been? Where have you
They
been
were talking to Americans. Well, just where you were. You left where we left. He was Chinese. She wasn't. She
Yeah,
was
they're American.
She's from Texas. She's Spanish. He was from Illinois.
They came here for study?
Study. Yeah, they're.
Finished their exam.
He's finished his exams. She's still going. She's studying biology.
Oh,
Wasn't it? Computer.
Computer.
Science biology. They call it or something. The intern.
Mag-iikot-ikot na naman kami. So, iikot ko kayo sa big city. What do you mean by international relations?
Like what he was doing, that's talking to us about politics.
Okay. So you can talk. I can talk to you international too, and in politics. So, do you have any questions?
Yeah, mate.
Question.
Yeah, there.
Question na daw.
With a big thing.
We're here now at the rocks. Tapos na the rocks. The rocks. And then
They wrecked this.
the Opera House again. So iniikot naman yung buong lugar.
There was nothing.
Look, please. In this way, in that side. So you come with me. I'm from the Philippines and I'm here now in Australia because I'm very
He's getting deported next week.
Get deported. They're going to come and get her.
Opera House.
She escaped from the Philippines.
You see something, darling?
Okay, that is like cuckoo.
They don't do that in Aussies.
Yeah, choo-choo.
Choo-choo.
And see something with the Harbour Bridge.
There you go.
There.
It's all yours. There's the harbour. There's Jen.
They're not circular.
Aussie. Bridge.
Oh, see.
Can you hear it? Can't see it. Sydney Harbour. Helicopter. Alright, that's it.
Tayo. Paggabi, mag-lights to. Vivid lights. There's a wedding. There's a wedding party.
She's Spanish.
Sissy?
Sí.
Sisi.
Mexico.
Mexican. Oy. It's getting it's may nagwi-wedding. So yan, may nag-ano sa wedding. So sobrang lamig na talaga, windy na, malamig. Sana hindi. Sana yung fridge nandun sa likod. My 10-year wedding anniversary. Gaya din ako niyan. Dito ako mag-photoshoot. Di ba? Kasi maganda yung view. Kitang-kita ko pa rin yung opera house. Tsaka yung bridge. So, ang ganda talaga dito sa Sydney. Marirelax. Wow. There's a rainbow. What's this one, darling? So, ang ganda ng mga balloon. So very pretty yung mga balloons. Wow, so beautiful. It's very colorful. Oh, that's the one that is gonna light up during night time.
Yeah, they changed it on the other side now.
Wow! Very colorful. Nasa likod ko yan, oh, Mazara. Sige. Lambo. Look at this beautiful view. Wow! Kita yung Harbor Bridge. Ang ganda-ganda ng view. So, we still keep going, walking around Pier 2 and 3. So, yes.
You've been driving again.
It's fast car. It's not me. I'm a good driver.
Hey, Jen's driving. Yeah.
Huh?
Oops. Yeah.
I'll take.
In Pier 2, 3. So, tahimik na tahimik dito. There's no people around. Yun yung boat there. What you been doing here? Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Australia. I'm sorry, Jane here. So, andito pa rin tayo sa Sydney. Time check. So, kita pala natin yung Harbour Bridge. So, medyo tahimik dito. So, yung kasama ko nasaan na kaya siya. So, ito yung $1 million view. Dollar view. Ang ganda ng lugar. Oh, dati yata. This is a rich. This is rich area. Before. What's the sound?
When me and Jen came down, I made a walk down here one night. Yeah, for a walk.
With the barang, let's not finish it.
And Jen goes, we're going nowhere. And I said, yes, yes, this is the new Barangaroo because they just laid all these rocks. Yeah, they just laid all these rocks.
We're here in the Barangaroo sides. Yung Harbour Bridge, kitang-kita pa rin. Beautiful. So, time check. Mag 3 o'clock na, wala pa kaming lunch. Busy sa kaikot-ikot. Yan na lang view. Yun, yung casino, the Star. Wow. Okay, because if it's a standing position, it's very small. Because you're gonna do it. There's a boat. This is going for where, darling? Then we're near to the stars. Ang ganda-ganda ng view. Cinema over there. So yan, malapit na kami sa basta. Watch this on Twitter. Barangaro. The other side of the city in Barangaro. Nasa Barangaro City, Barangaro kami na. Lagi kaming naglalakad, ikot-ikot, tapos yun,
This place looks more affordable.
because it's yellow.
Still chairs in and out like yo-yos.
That's my favorite colors. Look. Oh, there's a view there. What's this one? There's a boat. Is that that one?
That's where we bought it last time.
Yeah. There's a hotel, darling.
Oi! Very appreciative that I've done it.
We're going for the Hard Rock. Mr. National Writer Hard Rock Coffee. Sobrang gutom na talaga kami. Hindi pa kami kumain ng lunch. Pero na-enjoy kami sa kaikot-ikot. Food court in there. Where? Gone. Binibidyo ko sila.
Very bitter. But it's got some good smell.
Ito, baby back ribs. So, ito.
This is the new era.
Here in Hard Rock Coffee. Yes, darling. Baby back ribs, bark ribs. Gonna have our late lunch and early dinner. Ito yung menu. Ayan, nandyan pa sila. So, nandyan sa likod yung counter. So, nandito kami sa Hard Rock Coffee. Dito sa my harbor. Order na kami ng aming dinner or lunch.
Chicken tenders, darling.
So, tapos na kaming nag-dinner sa The Hard Rock Coffee. Tapos, we're going somewhere na.